what should be our vision. We have our personal visions, but what should be our collective vision? Can we envision a united country? Can we envision a country where everybody works and mingles without problems? Can we envision a peaceful and secure nation? Can we envision a nation where competition is not enmity? Vile nimeona na viongozi wenu hapa, the mayor, and I've seen it more frequently here in Kajiado, is that they do not convert competition to enmity. Lakini kama taifa, tukiwa na lengo, tukiwa na kile tunaita national, that should be our target. And if we are able to do that, not only Kenya, but continent and beyond, we shall have a very good opportunity for our young children to grow and contribute to the future of this human race.
Na areta njira ya uthaitiri wa